Team-based learning flips class time. Students prepare first, prove readiness with quick quizzes, then use class time to solve real cases in teams. The result, accountability, engagement, and learning that sticks. What if every student arrived prepared and every minute sparked real learning? Team-based learning runs in 3 steps. Prepare with short pre-work, readiness with a quick individual quiz, then the same quiz as a team for instant feedback, and team application where groups tackle a real case, make a specific choice, and report together. They prove readiness individually, then as a team, so gaps surface fast. Class time shifts to real cases, specific decisions, and simultaneous reporting. Built-in accountability lifts preparation and performance. Readiness tests become coaching moments that correct misconceptions early. Immediate feedback locks in concepts while motivation is high. Time-box cases build judgment under pressure, like the real world. That's why team-based learning sticks. Think, test, team, apply, so learning lasts beyond the exam.